Hello, this is Bob Joyner, and I want to thank you for coming over to my YouTube channel and checking things out there. I want to talk to you about just a couple things real quick. Up on the top left, I guess, as you're viewing it up on the top left, you're going to see a link for finding some free training, a free video series on support and resistance. So that'll be up in the header up there. Also, there's a link down below this current video that you're watching, which will take you down to see a short snippet, about 2-minute animated video about the chat room that I lead every day related to day trading stocks. So the first thing I want to tell you is just, besides those two things, is that to encourage you, whether you've been trading for 2 weeks or 15 years, you're here and you're still trying to discover ways to get better as a trader. So that's huge, and I encourage you to keep doing that. The other thing is, I know that you could be struggling. That's why you're also here looking at videos and trying to get better at your craft, and I applaud that. Um, it's not easy to trade. I know when I first started over 12 years ago, I've been leading a day trading chat room for over 12 years, so I'm not sure how many years I've been trading now, but it's been a long time. And I had huge stumbles. I had times where I lost a large amount of money. My wife found me crying one morning after losing so much money in my first year as a day trader. So it can be tough. Okay, so I know about that. The thing is, you've got to be able to survive that period. You got to know the things that you need to do to be able to survive that period. The other thing I want to tell you is that just to, it can be done. You can become a day trader. It may take more time than you thought. It may not be as easy as you thought it was going to be, but it can be done, and you have to have the right support. You have to have the right things going in your favor. So I'm here on this channel, this YouTube channel, trying to help you with that. And if you think that maybe the market is tilted against you, that maybe you get into a trade and as soon as you get into it, it moves against you, and you feel like people are out to get you or whatever. I understand that it can feel that way, but ultimately the truth of the matter is that you're responsible for your own trades. I'm responsible for my own trades. Okay, nobody else can push that buy button, nobody else can push that sell button. And so what happens in the meantime is there's a lot of mental activity that happens when you're trying to make these trade decisions. You're trying to juggle strategy, you're trying to juggle the equity that you placed on the trade. If you're in a losing trade, you're trying to figure out, well, should I get out now, or should I add to the trade, which is the huge temptation. So we're going to cover in this channel, we're going to cover some of the psychological aspect of trading, which I guarantee is more important than you probably realize. So look forward to you being here. Please subscribe and encourage the channel. Thanks a bunch.